Hi everyone, Zulika here. Today I'm on the Meeuklip Reserve Trail. It's just above the yacht club, and let me show you what it looks like down below here. Look at that view, it's amazing. So just be careful, it's uneven footing down here, so it's better to have flat shoes, or even better to have tackies or sneakers on, because it can get quite uneven and you really don't want to take a tumble here. And then just next to the yacht club over here we find Langebaan's own shipwreck. Also another little secluded beach here, ideal for walks. So that's your little hidden gem, your little hidden find today in Langebaan. So definitely take a walk to Meeuklip Nature Reserve and come and check out this beautiful, tranquil location. Just remember, it's a steep climb back up again with lots of stairs, so don't say I didn't warn you.